Welcome back to my channel. It's Nettie here. Today I have a small unboxing for you. I wanted to do it on my channel before I put it out on my Instagram. And I also got another special little thing in the mail that I wanted to share with you. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's the box, and let's cut this open. Okay, here we go. Open the box, and inside the box is a pair of shoes. And I blame this on Someday Shabby. You guys all remember her. She had posted these on her Instagram, and the moment I saw them, even though they're not on my wish list, and I'm trying to stick to my wish list this year and really focus on it, I saw these and I fell in love with them, and I knew that these I would wear, or since I'm working from home now, I'm not going into town and I'm not wearing a lot of stuff, it would suit my lifestyle right now as it is. So I grabbed them up because I know that this kind of thing will probably go very quickly, especially in my size. So here they are. They're a pair of Givenchy shoes. So let me open up the box. And inside the box it has the beautiful black Givenchy dust bags. And they actually have two of them, which is very nice because sometimes you only get one. And so there's the two. And here you can see, look at this. They are so beautiful, and I'm just hoping they fit. Fingers crossed. So here are my new Givenchy sneakers. They are beautiful. They are a slip-on. They're not tied. This is a black elastic. And look at the back. It has these little knots detail. And it says Givenchy there in gold. Oh, because this is the first time I'm seeing them too, guys. And underneath it says Givenchy Paris. And they are just such a beautiful sneak. So let me take this out and see what it looks like on the inside. And on the inside it says Givenchy Paris. And it's this beautiful tan inside. Yeah, so these are the two of them. So I can't wait to wear them. I will put a mod shot in to let you guys know what they look like and if they actually fit me and whether I'm going to keep them or not. Because obviously if they don't fit me, I won't be keeping them. But I've got to keep my fingers crossed that they do. So the next little item came in this little plastic bag, and I just received it today. And I'm so excited about this. If you guys follow Minnie, Minks4All, which I know you guys, most of you do, she is now selling T-shirts. So, I love her saying, and here's the T-shirt. It's, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. And I love that saying that she always has, and I'm so excited for her to now be selling T-shirts, and I think that's just a great thing for her to start doing, and I wish her all the success in it, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed for her that that she will be successful in whatever she does. Look at this, and look, it has Minks4All on the side sleeve. It's a very good quality T-shirt, and I just can't wait to wear it. And it comes in 3 colors. It's the white with the black, a black T-shirt with the white, and a red T-shirt, I believe, with the white lettering. So I just think it's just a great idea, and I love this little fleur-de-lis. We all know that she has, that's a special meaning for her. She also has a little tattoo on it, with that. And so I thought it was just a great touch for her to do that. Anyways, I will put all the information down below if you guys are interested in also purchasing a t-shirt from Minks4All. And I wish you guys all the best for the day, and have a great weekend, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, I'm just adding this as to the end of the video, just an update on the sneakers. I will not be keeping them. Unfortunately, they are a tad too big, like a half size. These are a 35 and I need a 34.5. So much like the Gucci sneakers, which I had to get in a 34.5, I will need to get these ones in a 34.5. And I did call the Givenchy store in New York. She said that they're all sold out right now of these, but they will be getting some more in March. And if the website says they have 34.5, then she says most likely that will be available. So I'm going to have to do a search on these and see if I can get the 34.5. Anyways, that's a problem with having small feet, right? If my foot was just a little bit bigger, they'd be perfect. But when you pay this kind of money for a sneaker, you want it to fit perfect, and my feet just keep on sliding out every time I walk, so I don't think that would be too good. And this elastic may start giving a little bit more as they get older, which means they would flop around even more. So yeah, they will be going back. Anyways, that is the end of this video now. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.